yang kita buat selama ini, tuan-tuan dan puan-puan sekalian, tentunya orang boleh melihat. Saya selalu sebut kepada rakan-rakan semua, with all humility, I don't want to be arrogant. Yeah, that is my way, and I believe that should be the way for us. And let everyone judge us. Apa yang telah kita buat. If we say we are a good government, we have to tell people and let the people also judge us. What we have done to them and what we have done to the state of Perak. Yang ini yang sangat penting, tuan-tuan dan puan-puan. Salah satu perkara yang seringkali saya sebutkan kepada rakan-rakan, ada orang beritahu dengan saya, apabila saya jadi Menteri Besar, many people say that we give you only 3 months to survive. I said, well, let me pray to God. Probably God will extend further from 3 months to probably to 3 years, or from 3 years to 4 years. Dan hari ini, tuan-tuan dan puan-puan, we continue to survive. Continue to survive is based on what? Based on the performance what we have done for the state of Perak, tuan-tuan dan puan-puan sekalian. Saya akan sebutkan kepada tuan-tuan dan puan-puan. Dan saya gembira kerana saya sekarang ini mendengar komen-komen daripada business community yang ada dalam negeri Perak pada hari ini. Datuk Lee is one of the good example for us. Beliau datang kepada saya. Beliau memberitahu kepada saya, MB, thank you very much what you have done to the state of Perak for the past 4 years. At least we can see something that Perak has changed. Thank you, Datuk Lee. It's not only that. There are business community around also come to me. They say the same thing. At least now we can start seeing around a new skylines in Ipoh and also everywhere, including in Manjung, in Tanjung Malim, in Parit Bunta, ya, you name it. Kita telah pun mempunyai berbagai perancangan. It is based on Perak Aman Jaya. Dan ini berdasarkan kepada usaha keras kita. Sebab itu, tuan-tuan dan puan-puan, saya tidak cakap banyak. Ya, I never come to the stage. Always give my fiery speech, which normally the politician do. Yeah, you can also do. Give the fiery speech, talking this, talking that. You know, sometimes you talk, you know, not based on fact. But I said for one, it is better for us to tell the people to sit down and to work and let the people finally judge what you have done. And hari ini, umpamanya tuan-tuan dan puan-puan, seperti mana yang saya sebutkan tadi, ya, apabila kita ambil kerajaan saja, saya tidak pergi turun ke bawah, saya pergi cari balik mana ada orang-orang yang buat bisnes ataupun toke-toke kah, ada witch hunt. Kita pergi, ini orang tak sokong kita dulu, kita potong. Ini orang sokong kita pegang. Tak, I never do that. Ya, sebab bagi saya paling penting ialah apabila kita menjadi ahli politik, kita jadi menteri besar, apa yang kita perlu buat, not for myself, not for certain people, but the most important thing we must do for all people of Perak. That is the most important priority for